Welcome back to another episode of AskDrAdam. If you've ever operated a stencil printer, you know how hard it can be to get consistent, reproducible prints. Today, I want to review the findings from a paper recently presented at IPC APEX about contact time and fluid dynamics on yield enhancement in SMT printing. Stick around, you don't want to miss it. In the quest for perfection within SMT printing, numerous factors such as print speed, blade pressure, and nano coatings have been meticulously studied. However, the solvent delivery system, a critical component in maintaining high yields amidst diminishing aperture sizes, remains unexplored. The paper I want to review today, titled Optimizing SMT Printing, the Impact of Contact Time and Fluid Dynamics on Yield Enhancement, addresses this gap by examining the contact time of the underside solvent with the stencil during conventional wiping processes. The study investigates how controlled volume and contact time, dictated by exposure duration, are pivotal in minimizing defects and maximizing yields. By delving into the printer's fluid delivery system, the research aimed to broaden the process window, ensuring consistent quality in an industry where precision is paramount. Many printers utilize a wiping system that's self-propelled or utilizes the vision system to move the wiper in the Y direction. There are three available wipe modes. First is solvent wipe, designed to remove flux left behind during the print process. The vacuum wipe, which removes paste from the apertures to prevent clogging, and a dry wipe, which removes residual metals and solvent from the stencil surface. Understencil cleaning chemistries have evolved significantly, moving from generalized solutions to highly specialized engineered options designed specifically for SMT printing. These modern chemistry options include engineered solvent chemistries, which are composed of water-free organic solvents with targeted properties to dissolve flux residues efficiently, engineered water-based chemistries, which are comprised mainly of water, surfactants, and additives, and in general are more environmentally friendly and economical. The study conducted various tests to determine the optimal contact time for solvent application to effectively remove flux contamination. They found that implementing solvent-based wiping with optimized contact time and solvent saturation levels led to a more stable printing process, reducing flux residue and associated defects. They also saw that slower gantry speeds and higher solvent bar speeds effectively removed flux contamination, particularly when alternating solvent, vacuum, and dry wipe sequences were applied. This study underscores the critical role of optimized wiping parameters, including solvent chemistry, gantry speed, and wipe sequence, in achieving high-quality SMT printing outcomes. Traditional dry wipe routines were found insufficient for effective flux removal in modern printing environments. Instead, carefully controlled solvent use in combination with targeted wiping parameters consistently improved flux removal and reduced contamination. Future research will expand on these findings by examining different solder paste formulations and exploring the efficacy of water-based cleaning chemistries in SMT processes. The insights gained from this study suggest that adopting solvent-based wiping with optimized gantry and solvent bar speeds not only enhances cleaning efficiency, but also broadens the process window, thus improving overall yield and print quality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. You can also email questions or comments to AskDrAdam@Kyzen.com. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. And as always, stay clean.